Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can submit expression of interest for your Prince Edward Island PNP for Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, always feel absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so guys, we know that one of the ways to immigrate into Canada is to go through PNP, provincial nomination process. And we know Prince Edward Island is a province in Canada. So they have a process where you can submit an expression of interest with them, and if they like your profile, they are gonna give you interest, and then after further process, if you successfully secure PNP, nomination from them, you get 600 additional points in your federal expression of interest system for express entry, and from there you can proceed. So how to create your interest profile with Prince Edward Island PNP, I'm going to show in this video. So you can see that there are 3 steps. First is to create an account, and then they are going to invite the candidates, and then you need to submit the thorough application, and then they will take it from there, and if they'll approve your application, then you get 600 points. So the very first step is to register. So the question here, are you a foreign national or representative? So let's say you're a foreign national. So create an account. They ask for an email address, so I'll put an email address. They've asked to set a password. I'm not a robot. I click on register. Okay, maybe I'm not fitting the criteria. I'll again uppercase, lowercase, numeric among the following special characters. Okay, I got it. Okay, so let's say there's a guy whose name is John Smith. He wants to apply from India, so he's applying. Male. Let's say he was born on Canada Day and back in this way, 1987. Here you go, finally. Phone number outside of Canada and USA, so let's say 3433678910910. Yeah, passport number. So let's say he holds an Indian passport, so I'm creating an Indian sample passport number. This was issued in India, and let's say this was issued in 2017 Feb 1, and this is valid till, in India you get for 10 years, so 2027 Jan Int, perfect date. Civic address, let's say he's in India. Not Iran, sorry, India. He is in Delhi. Street address, I'm just writing a sample address. 1 New Delhi Street, City Town, New Delhi. Are you using a representative? Let's say no, he is not using any representative. So click on next. So you have to click on this terms and conditions. Basically they want you to read everything, so you can read it, and then this gets enabled and you can create. So you're going to get an email. Let me see if I get the email. I think I already got it. I'm just checking that stuff. So when I click on the link, this is what it comes. So log in using the account. Password. Click on login. Oh, I think I did a mistake. I'll try once again. Okay, so here you can see that basic information is updated. So if you want to update personal information, you can click here and you can update this information over here. You can cancel, you can save, whatever is applicable in your case. Then you can click on start a profile. So let's say you want to work in PEI. So you can select which one is applicable to you. So this is currently working in PI, so the guy is in India, not applicable for this. Approved job offer, not applicable for this. He is not an international graduate from PEI, so the only way he can apply is express interest stream. He does not have a job. So let's say he has 2173 as his code. Express entry. Just wrote a sample number. You have to check this and click on start. Your age is based on a date of birth submitted when your account was created. This field cannot be changed. So let's say he falls in this. Of course it's auto populated. Next, language, have you completed? Yes. And he scored very high. He has not completed a French test, so he selected no. Highest level of education, post-secondary academic degree with minimum 3 years of study. Next, work experience, let's say 4 to 6, 5 years of experience. I have my foreign qualification verified with a regulated body. Let's say no, he hasn't done anything. Adaptability. So basically here they are seeing what are the ties you have. So you have none of these ties, so you click on no. So your score is 62. So once you need to click here to read the submit profile terms, and then you need to click there and submit. So I'm not going to submit this because I don't want to, this is a test application and I don't want to go into the pool, so I'm not going to submit it. Instead I'm going to cancel it. So guys, that's how simple this process is, and from there you can proceed. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, always feel absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.